And now,
candle.
that's right. And now we sing happy birthday. Touch it, honey, it's hot. Now we sing happy birthday.
This one is Haley's.
That's right. This one is Haley's. Should we sing happy birthday to Dolly?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Dolly.
Yay! Happy birthday to
You.
Yay! Do you want to help Dolly blow out her candle? Oh, good. Blow a little harder. Oh, good job! Yay! Now you can eat cake. And now Dolly can eat her birthday cake. Happy birthday, Dolly.